Welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how to make the mooncake jelly. Before do it, we will need 10 gram agar powder, 15 gram Goji berry, 15 gram black raisin, and 15 gram yellow raisin, red longan, 70 gram sugar, some pandan leaf to make it crispy and the smell is good, water, and of course we will need mooncake pan. The first beginning, we will soak 10 agar powder in 200 ml water in 1 hour to make it tremble, and it's not be easy to change to water after to do it. We make it blender together and then waiting for 1 hour. When waiting the agar in 1 hour, we boil 600 ml water to cook the longan, goji, and raisins. When the water boiling, put sugar and stir it until the sugar and the water is mixed together. Then put longan right, black raisin, yellow raisin, goji berry, and then low down the fire and cook more 2 hours. Oh, I'm sorry, and cook with the 2 minutes, and then turn up the fire. And pandan leaf. And then we waiting 2 minutes and it's done. We remove the pandan leaf because it will be make the soup or the water bitter. And then we waiting it for its cool, and we will do it with agar. After 1 hour, and then we mix agar with it. Then to make it mixture together, then we boil it until it's boiling, and we waiting for the water in clear and lean. It's clear. And then we turn up the fire. And put it in the mooncake jelly pan. And then we put it in the fridge and waiting for 1 hour. If you have time, you can cook it in the afternoon or the evening, and then we put it in the fridge over the night, and then we make the jelly mooncake is remember and it's not change to fire or it's not change to water when you put it out. So waiting for it. After it's make it jelly, we have mooncake jelly. In Vietnam, this time we have Moon Festival to celebrate for children, and they also make some mooncake. But in this time, I will make cake with jelly. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel if you like almost Vietnamese food or Vietnamese travel. I will try to improve my English, and I will give you some small I will give you more tip about Vietnamese. It's so delicious. See ya. Thank you for watching.